Our t-shirt is basically put together. The only thing that we have left to do is finish it, which means we need to finish the sleeves, finish the hem, and finish the neck opening. I'm going to keep the neck opening for last because we'll be using knit binding, which is a sort of a new technique. I'm going to start by hemming the sleeves and the hem. And to do that, we're just going to fold back the seam allowance like that, and then just top stitch, and I'm probably going to do 2 rows. Now, in the industry they use a machine called a cover lock for this, but once again, we're only using a regular sewing machine for this, only a straight stitch. So, because Teagan is my go-to t-shirt pattern, I have made this little cheek that I cut off from a notebook. It's 3 centimeters wide, so this is exactly how far I need to fold over the hem, like that, and then I can just pin it. So you can just put in a bunch of pins and make your way around the entire hem of your t-shirt. Now it's easier to pin this from the good side so that when you're sewing you don't have to fish out your pins from the back. So it might seem obvious to pin this from here. I actually prefer to pin it from there, so that when we're sewing later we can remove the pin from the good side. Just take your time, work your way around. Don't be fooled by the knitwear rolling up at the bottom. Just pin the hem allowance all the way around, and then we'll be hemming this in a couple of minutes.